how to get more FPS in Roblox. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about how you can get more FPS in Roblox without using third-party apps. Everything that we're gonna do to increase the FPS value, we're gonna do it internally and without using any third-party apps or software. Let's get this party started. The first thing that we're gonna do is go to Windows and type performance. And here you can see the option adjust the appearance and performance of Windows here. Simply tap on the option, and on this performance option you can see I have chosen by the Windows to do everything for my PC. But if you have got lower end PC and you want to unlock FPS, what you're gonna do is just tick mark on the adjust for best performance. And after that, click on apply and click on OK. Now after tweaking performance on PC, what we're gonna do is we are going to change power plan. So in order to change the mode in PC, what we're gonna do is go to Windows and go to power plan. And from here, make sure that your PC is running in high performance mode, because if it is running in a balanced or power saving mode, your PC is not going to get that performance from your processor. And after changing the performance mode, what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the refresh rate of your monitor. Go to display settings and select advanced display. And here, if you do have higher refresh rate monitors, make sure that you go above 60 Hz. Do not go down below 60 Hz. And this will have some impact on the way you play a game. And the next option that I have here is to lower the graphics settings on Roblox. So if you want your game to be faster, smoother, lower down the graphics quality here. So in order to lower down the graphics quality, what you're gonna do is press ESC on the game and make sure you go to settings, and from here, lower down your graphics. So these are some of my tips and tricks to get more FPS in Roblox without installing third-party apps or softwares. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment.